You may ask, what is a crystal? Girl, let me tell you. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Zoilita, your local godmother, and I'm back at it again with another video. Today, I'm going to be talking about crystals and specific crystals for beginners while doing my makeup, because I haven't done my makeup in a while and I really want to do it. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm not really going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I'm just doing my makeup, so everything will be listed in the description that I do use if you are interested. Okay, let's get into it. Let's start talking about these crystals. You may ask, what is a crystal? Girl, let me tell you. Basically, a crystal is just a mineral that's made in the earth with certain chemicals and certain compositions under a certain pressure. So every crystal has different chemicals and different pressures that it's made out of. That's why they're different in different colors and have different hardnesses and all that jazz. In short talk, it's just another mineral of the earth like salt. You might be wondering, what are crystals used for? Why are they picking up minerals? Why do they have minerals around their house? You know? Two of the main things that crystals are used for are 1, jewelry, and 2, metaphysical purposes. So most jewelry makers are looking for A-grade crystals, which means it's just a clean slate, clear crystal, no veins, no like rock in it, just straight crystal. Other people like me will use any crystal to make jewelry with. And for metaphysical purposes, I'm included in the people who believe this. I'm just using belief, so I'm not saying everybody does it, but for the people who use crystals for metaphysical purposes, everything has a vibration to it and a frequency to it. It is believed that crystals have a certain healing vibration to them, to where if you have certain crystals, it can heal certain things and help you in certain things in life. You don't have to believe in it metaphysically or need it for jewelry. You can also just have a crystal because you think it's pretty. There's no say into what makes you want a crystal at all. Now, with that being said, I'm gonna recommend y'all 5 crystals if you are a beginner at this whole spirituality, metaphysical journey, okay? The first crystal I recommend is clear quartz. The element of clear quartz is all the elements: fire, water, earth, and air. And the chakra it resonates with is crown. Clear quartz is a master healer and an amplifier for any other energies around it. It's good to have with other crystals just to boost its energy. Clear quartz also has the power to absorb, restore, and release energy. And what that means is clear quartz can absorb any energy around you. Let's say it's negative. If it stores it into positive energy and releases that positive energy back out into the air or aura or universe or however you want to put it. Clear quartz also helps with balancing the mind, the body, and the spirit, and just balancing in general, like balancing emotions and stuff that's going on with life. Clear quartz also helps with memory recollection. Moving on, the next crystal I recommend or introduce to y'all is rose quartz. Rose quartz has the element of earth and water and the chakra of the heart. Some property of clear quartz is universal love. So just love in general in your life, loving yourself, loving people, loving the universe, you know, bringing love into your life. Rose quartz also helps with restoring trust, not only in yourself, but in others and in the universe. Rose quartz also brings harmony into your life and promotes love to self, like I said before. Also brings comfort and loving energy, so I always recommend it as a grieving crystal. It also helps with fertility. Amethyst is a crystal that I literally recommend to everybody. Amethyst has the element of air and water and the chakra of crown and the third eye. I like it because it's a really good protection and healing crystal. I've heard a lot of stories and situations where it's helped with depressive episodes. And in my experience, it really has. That's why I got so into amethyst. Not only because it's my birthstone, because I heard things like this come from amethyst. So that's the main thing I always tell people about amethyst. Amethyst also transmute energy into love and loving energy. Amethyst is a natural tranquilizer, and basically what that means is it's a physical healer. Like if you have body pain and wear amethyst, it really does help. Amethyst has helped with my neck pain a lot because I have bad neck pain from my shoulder because I have a bad shoulder. So I like to wear amethyst where I can just take it and rub it on my shoulder. Like I'll wear a bracelet and go like that, or a necklace and turn it around and sit it on my shoulder. Amethyst also helps balance mood swings and dispels anger. So I'd recommend it for somebody who likes to say they have anger issues, aka me. It also helps in sobriety and calms the mind. It encourages motivation and aids in sleep. Not only does it help with sleep, it helps you recollect and have vivid dreams, not memories, sorry. Moving on, hematite has the element of earth and fire and the chakra of the root. With that being said, hematite is really good for grounding. It also protects from EMF waves, just like shungite does. It also helps raises courage and strength. It also helps prevent from absorbing negative energy and boosts confidence. And I noticed that a lot when I started wearing it. I love hematite. Anywho, moving on. The last crystal I want to talk to you guys about is labradorite. It's also another one of my favorites. Labradorite has an element in water and the chakras in the crown, the third eye, and the throat. Some properties is transformation, so basically aids through change and encourages change. It also helps with aids and amplifies psychic abilities. Labradorite also aids in awareness, helps you realize and wake up, I guess you can say. It also banishes fear and strengthens confidence. Labradorite also relieves stress and helps balance hormones. I also offer all those crystals on my website. So if you're interested, you can always check the links down in the description. My makeup's not done, but I'll finish it off camera. I hope y'all enjoyed and I hope y'all learned something. Until next time, my beautiful beings, stay blessed and be safe.